Hey WGDP community, how are you doing? How is everybody? I I hope everyone is okay. My name is Yoram. I am part of the engineering team here at WGDP, and this week this is my sprint update. And I would like to start off with some great news in our weekly active user count, or how much activity we're having on the platform, since even as we integrated Google Analytics and starting to see that increase in weekly active users, as more of my colleagues will share more on like weekly active users. And great news is that we at least had almost 1,000 users this previous month, the month of May, and that was really great. And the great thing about it is we've really gained more new users, and we still have maintained a quarter of those of old users, or more recurring users. So that's good for us in the sense that we still have people that still return to the application, still use it regularly, but are still gaining a larger audience of users. So just a short view of how Google Analytics is looking, just like an overview of it says we had at least 1,029 users overall, and we had at least 900 of those were very new users to the platform, and that's like really good data for the progress that we've been making. Going to our application during this sprint has been for me was quite great. It was quite a wonderful sprint. We're doing quite a lot of restructuring, and I'm sure we're going to notice, like from my page here, is a little bit of some restructuring, I should say, in the homepage, on our homepage. And as much as it doesn't look so apparent, there was some work that we put in, just making sure that we refactor our code, make it more friendly and more testable, and just ensuring that we have more healthy code. So it was clearing off some developer debt that we had on the code, and we have in the back end really just made sure that we have really beautiful code for the system. So we kind of rewrote our homepage. Not too noticeable, but we did put some work into it. But I want to share with you one of the small things, one of the few things rather that we worked on is under our users tab, which will be for the admins mainly. We've added a new column to our users table, but also not just that, we also have a filter by phone number feature here, which I'm sure one of my colleagues, Dennis or Olivier, will share on. And mainly I will focus on these quick note buttons that we've added, which are really cool, and will be really helpful for the rest of the team that is contacting clients, and making sure that they are reaching out to clients. So it's just really an addition to the notes, and basically just says, okay, so this was a call that was made, and this is what happened. The call went through, and probably the call did not go through. And so we have this feature that says, for example, let me just click it. So this is add an outgoing call was answered for the guy here named Dude. So yeah, so we could probably say it was a great talk. So some more information about what this talk was about, something you'd like to put into these users' notes, and we can save that data. So when we go to our users' notes, under that users' notes, we have here where we say, okay, so there was an outgoing call made on this date, and to this user, and this was maybe the extra notes that were put in for this user. So basically that's like one of the few features. So that also happens for the call not answered. So if the call wasn't answered or something happened, maybe the number was wrong, or something happened, you know, it pretty much is the same response that we have here. So yeah, so basically this is some of the the few beautiful features that we've added into the application, and yeah, that's pretty much what we have, and looking forward to the next sprint. And yeah, thank you very much.